What's up guys, another video from Web Planet Freaks, and as you can see on my screen right now, it's Pinterest. This is the social networking site that all the websites are telling that it's gonna be the next big thing, and yes it is. I mean, the way it's getting the buzz and the way more and more people are flocking in, even though this is not available for the public, you can only get you can only join via an invitation. Pinterest is really a unique social networking site with one hell of a kind experience that you have never ever seen probably in any other sites before. So basically the concept here is that of what we used to have in high school called pin boards, and you can pin whatever you want for others to see. So Pinterest is a social networking site that is basically uses virtual pin boards. As you can see on my screen, these are the exact pins, and these are all the pins that are currently on my wall, if I can call it. And this is the place, this is the home page actually, where I can see pins from the guys I'm following and popular pins, and I can go on these links from everything to, let's just stick to art, and I click on art and I see some of the most popular pins related to art. And the way the interface is laid out is truly unique, and I haven't seen this kind of an experience in any other website. Now besides that, you can also see videos, and I am not sure if you will be able to upload videos as of now, but there are some users, especially if you get popular on Pinterest, you will be allowed to upload videos later on. And then there is a tab for popular, and you can see all the popular pins. I'm not sure if videos is counted out here. No, it's not. So these are all the popular pins. Now these may be from your pinners that you follow or whatever. And the last but not least is gifts. Gifts are basically some offers that are proposed to you or that are shown in Pinterest using the pin boards. So yeah, these are the basic stuffs of Pinterest. Now I'm gonna show you one more thing, which is called basically pinners to follow, and this is the pinners you follow, and pinners to follow will be the default home button. And when you go to your home page, this is the page that you're gonna see that all pinners you follow and what they are pinning will come on your homepage in Pinterest. What if now I want to show you how you can actually use Pinterest? So I go to add, and there pops three options. I can add a pin, upload a pin, create a new board. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first show you how to add a pin, and uploading a pin is similar. You just click on upload a pin, and you can choose a file. So let me go back again, and I'm gonna add a pin, and let's say, okay, I have to get the image URL. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find a good image. Let's say I want to share this image. Right click on it, copy image URL, go back to Pinterest, go to this add right here, and I'm gonna add a pin. I'm gonna paste the URL, and I'm gonna click on find image, and Pinterest will find the image for me. Now this is the image that's gonna go here, and if the URL consists of more than one image on that web page, so you will also have an option of browsing between the different images, which one you can share or which one you don't want to share. So yeah, the next is out here you can see a drop down. So here are the four options: tech news, internet marketing, human bites, future home. So these are basically the pin boards I have created, and you can even create a pin board right here and start pinning in your new pin board. So I'm gonna obviously choose future homes for this. I'm gonna describe your pin future home, probably after I die. Okay. And I'm gonna, like, if you can select if you want to share in Facebook, you can deselect. This is totally upon you. I want to share in Facebook also, and I just click on pin it, and this image is now added as a pin, and people can see it on their pin boards, I mean the main homepage, who are following me, or even in the category of home and decor, they can see it. So there are various options. When you see other people's images, you can repin it. Repin, to be perfectly true, it's exactly like retweet, how retweet works. So if you like a pin, you can repin a pin. You can email it, embed it, tweet it, like it. These are pretty similar. You can even leave a comment, and you can click on the user's profile and go to his profile, and you can see all the pin boards that he made. For example, if I click on my tech news pin board, for me in my pin board, this is the interface. As you can see, I've added some pictures out here, and you can even edit your own pin board, and you can change the description and who can pin it. So it's just me or me plus contributors. If you choose me plus contributors, you can add a name of some contributor or your friends in Pinterest and stuff like that. So that's Pinterest, and it is the next big thing because they're adding loads and loads of more features. Later this year they're gonna introduce apps for iOS, Windows 4.7, and even Android, and it will be interesting to see how people start using Pinterest and start using it even for their own benefits. And I'm really hoping that Pinterest is going to be one of those unique ways in which people are going to start thinking of internet marketing, because to be true, pinboards was for generation. It was one of the first forms of marketing in ancient human history, where the Romans used to have public pinboards where they posted the news. So yeah, Pinterest is one hell of an idea, and I really loved it, and I probably knew Pinterest more than anyone else 2.5 years ago, but I'm not going to go into that story because that's a total separate thing. So yeah, this is Pinterest for you, a short little tutorial and a walkthrough. Last but not least, you can go to About and go to Pin It button, and right here, as you can see, there are various options of adding the Pinterest button to your own website. Just copy paste this code or give it a URL of the image to be pinned, URL of the web page, and the description, and you can even customize this own code. Pinterest also gives you their logo of EPS and PNG so that you can use it with your own website. I started using Pinterest, and it would be interesting to see how people start inputting the Pinterest button with their own website or blog, whatever. So that's it for now, guys, and I would really love to see how you guys are using Pinterest. Oh, by the way, if you are not a member of Pinterest, you can maybe, how should I tell, you can message me and I might send you an invite. If you're on Facebook, then I might send you an invite. Just ping me anywhere you find, Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, whatever. So that's it, and for now at least, and I'll see you soon, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, doing an SEO video. So bye, happy new year 2012. Have a great year ahead, have a safe year ahead, have a prosperous year ahead, and see you on the other side.